So now, this is just one piece that we've already pre-made. This has 2 tabs here, 2 tabs here, and then here's the slots that they go in. You have something?
I was just going to hold it up if you wanted to twist it in.
So then we get these up on here. The other thing you want to check on too, there is no gasket on here, but there is a gasket on here. You need to have at least one gasket and no more than one gasket. Sometimes this will have a gasket and that will. You need to remove that gasket. So we get this up to its spot. It's in. Boom, boom. So now it's good. Now this would turn around and come to a ceiling. And technically, at this point, this comes through our drywall ceiling. Then you come in afterwards, put this faceplate on. There's clips, which I'll explain later, with screws that hold this into the drywall. And this is your finished product for ceilings.